What makes this liner bag different starts with the way it's made. Inside the factory, every stage begins with large film rolls prepared for continuous converting. As the film moves steadily through the production line, it is continuously converted into finished bag rolls. Once each roll is completed, it is collected by the operator before being carefully packed into cartons, where the finished products are organized and prepared for storage and shipment. The finished rolls are then presented in both large black and small white options before showing how each bag tears away cleanly from the roll. With a smooth perforation, every bag can be separated quickly, making daily handling simple and convenient. Once placed inside the bin, the liner securely holds everyday waste and can be lifted out with ease, demonstrating a practical solution for daily waste collection. With 3 factories and a production capacity of up to 5,000 tons per month, HAPLAST supports large-scale packaging supply for global shipment demands. Supported by internationally recognized certifications and trusted partnerships built over the years, we continue providing Star Seal Liner bag solutions designed for efficient waste collection across residential, commercial, and industrial applications. Connect with HAPLAST to discover packaging solutions tailored to your business.